is all you'll need for some lovely little spicy onion bhajis. Some gram flour, or chickpea flour as it's known, dash of tomato puree, some chili peppers, some natural yogurt, onions of course, and some Madras curry powder. First thing we're going to do, make up a little paste using your natural yogurt. So into there, and with some tomato puree and some of your Madras curry powder, and just get them mixed together. That to one side, and then get chopping your onions. With your onions peeled, I'm going to chop them. We're going to chop them a bit smaller than you would for a normal bhaji. Just these one cuts would do for a normal bhaji. But because we're making littler ones, just cut them in half again. With your onions chopped, time to get them in a bowl. And then some with your chili peppers, top and tail them. Give them a little slit so you can open them up. Cut out the pith and the seeds. And then you're going to do the same as with the onions. Chop them so they're quite little. Chilies chopped, time to put them in with your onions. And then have a good old mix round with your hands. This will loosen all your onions up. And into there, with your yogurt concoction from earlier. Then it's time to get your hands dirty and get all that mixed in. Into your mixture, it's time to go with your gram flour, and again get that mixed in. If you find it's still a bit wet for you, just add some more chickpea flour. With your flour mixed in, time to turn on your deep fat fryer or your frying pan, however you're cooking them. Get yourself a little handful, squash them together. You don't want them too fat because you want them to cook evenly all the way through. Little patty like that will do, and then put them into either your pan or your deep fat fryer that you're going to use. Once your oil has reached its temperature, time to go in. When they've been frying for 2 or 3 minutes, hopefully they turn out something like that, it's time to make yourself up a mint yogurt dip and get stuck in.